I need you to step out of the car right now.
Bro,
okay?
y'all is scaring the f out.
The fact that you're not cooperating is leading me to start to think that there might be something else that's going on. There's nothing going on.
I don't give a about the car.
Well, that's great, man. Let us conduct our business, and we can get you on your way. All right?
Hey, y'all shut the f up, man.
Okay. I don't know how to explain it any clearer. So here's the deal. All right, Mr. Whiteside. For right now, interlace your fingers. Put your hands on top of your head. All right.
On November 29, 2025, at 11:49 a.m., Officer Sprag pulled over a driver for having an open container of alcohol, but the routine stop turned high stakes when the driver hesitated about having weapons and refused to exit.
Okay. All right, man. One thing real quick, you said there's an open container in the back? Okay. So I do see the bottles, what was that, Patron? In the back seat. What's up?
That's basically like
is that what it is? Okay. All right, man. Not a big deal. You know.
I ain't drunk though, or none of that though.
Hey, man. I ain't going down that road. Okay.
All right.
But with an open container, I am gonna have you take a step out of the car real quick. All right. Just so we can conduct our business. As long as everything's cool, man. I got no problem.
Great, bro.
I got no problem just putting the bottles in the trunk and letting you go with a warning. All right. But for right now, I am gonna have you take a step out. Again, I know I already asked. No weapons in the car or on your person right now. Especially with this bad weather and people flying down this street. Okay.
Hey.
If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes, you can tell me and then we can work through it.
No, I'm just saying no.
Okay. All right. Cool, man. With the open container, that gives me probable cause.
Hey, man, can you call Micah, man? So my tag's good, everything good, my license is great. You can run my name and everything, bro.
That's cool, man. But listen,
that ain't got nothing to do with that ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm not drunk.
I didn't say you're drunk, but you're in possession of an open container of alcohol while operating a motor vehicle. Like I said, it's not a big deal. It's a misdemeanor, man. I need you to understand something, Mr. Whiteside. You still have to get out of the car.
What are you saying, bro? Because I'm talking to the officer and I'm talking to you at the same time.
Why don't you hang up the phone, man?
No, it's safety, bro.
Oh, okay. Well, you're safe. Nothing is going to happen to you. Those have all been requests. I'm now going to order you to get out of the car.
You going to order me to get out the car?
Yeah. You don't have a choice.
What's the protocol, bro?
Like I already told you, man, I probably caused a search of vehicle. All right?
Bro, what's the protocol, bro?
The protocols, we're just going to have you get out of the car. It's okay. Listen, man, we can work through this. I promise you, man, if you're cool with us, and you're going to be on your way here in about 2 or 3 minutes. I promise you. That's it.
I don't believe that, bro. I think y'all, bro.
I already said I can work with you for just the open container.
Can my sister pull up?
No. That's a safety concern, man. It's
really
dark out.
scared,
She's
for
just...
my life.
For what, dude?
For what? Y'all don't watch the news? Y'all don't see what's going on in the world?
Okay.
Listen, dude,
listen.
We're human beings having a conversation with. Listen, we need you to step out of the car right now.
You've been respectful to me so far. I appreciate it.
Right.
But now I need you to cooperate.
Bro, y'all is scaring the f out.
The fact that you're not cooperating is leading me to start to think that there might be something else that's going on. There's nothing going on.
I don't give a about the car.
Well, that's great, man. Let us conduct our business and we can get you on your way. All right?
Hey, y'all shut the f up, man.
Okay. I don't know how to explain it any clearer.
Bro. Can we pull it to a main street?
You're on a main street. We've probably been passed by 100 cars by now. So here's the deal. All right, Mr. Whiteside, for right now, interlace your fingers, put your hands on top of your head. All right? Go.
11:05. Chase took off. Yeah, he had no container in the car. R60 going southbound on Brown Street. Traffic's light and yielding still westbound on East South Street approaching Grant.
He's a black male, thin build, light skin, tattoos on his face. He's wearing a black winter hat, and he has some sort of red sweatshirt on. Is somebody running over there? Yep, somebody's running.
Per one, we had one male running under the bridge, northbound. He's running this way. He's gonna be somewhere under this bridge or near to it, northbound. He saw him running. You see him?
Hey, car 3 just said he's running up the hill. I don't know what hill.
You see him? That's not him, is it? No. What hill are they talking about?
I don't know. That's the only thing I told them, and then they said something about a hill.
You kidding me?
I don't know where the f they went, dude.
Where are they?
God damn it. Oh, God, they're down there.
Stay down, right now! Stay down,
Let's go.
Who needs a breath? Who needs a breath?
Nobody. All right.
The situation exploded when Brandon fled the scene, launching a high-speed pursuit that ended with deployed airbags, an arrest, and a chaotic clash with his arriving family members.
I just want to know.
No, absolutely you don't. You have to leave.
All right, look, no, you go.
You're obstructing traffic.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just meet you at the gym.
Absolutely you can.
Okay, I'll meet you at the gym.
Can we know what happened though?
Yeah, he took off from us on a chase. So he's in a cruiser.
Can we at least get his car?
Absolutely not. It's disabled and destroyed. So you guys have to move the car away from the street so you're not obstructing traffic. And you have
I'm allowed to be here.
No, you have to step off the road. Thank you.
Well, okay, I'm allowed to.
Put your feet. You got anything that's on you? Just open that quickly.
Hold on, ma'am. 1 second.
Man. Hey, can I go one more time through this thing? Go ahead. I got still everything. Yep, appreciate you, man.
Come on, thank you.
Hey, stop, man. Come on. I'm gonna read your rights right now, okay? You got the right to. I still gotta read them to you, so just be quiet. What? I mean, why are you saying that, man? They obviously handcuffed you. You're in the back of the cruiser. Stop.
Don Julio. Tequila.
Being dramatic now. You're the one that ran. Why are you scared? They asked you to get out. If you would have done that, it would have been way easier. Well, for right now, you're being arrested for definitely obstructing. That I know, but I'm not the initial officer. Well, if you're a good dude, why'd you run?
Look at what happened. You ran, we caught you, and you're still fine in the back seat. So apparently you have some kind of misconception.
All right.
What's up, man? What's going on? You feel like you're dying? Why do you feel like you're dying? Tell us what happened.
Is you okay?
Is you good, bro?
Did they jump on you?
I think they gonna do something to me, bro.
Would you, Brandon, stop. Brandon, knock it off. He's under arrest. That's all you need to know, okay? He ran from the police. He ran from the police. What are you, an attorney?
I'm not doing nothing to you.
I want to know what's going on.
I just want to know
I don't want to arrest you for obstructing.
how am I obstructing? How am I obstructing?
I told you down there. I was polite, professional. Explain to you what's going on.
I'm not even in the car.
Please, I'm begging
Where
you.
you want me to go? Right there? I can stay right here, though.
No.
Why do we gotta
Clear the scene. I'm not worrying about you behind your back. The officers have to do their job
I'm not
safely.
doing nothing to you.
You're watching. Watch them up there.
Okay, I'm gonna watch
I'm
him.
watching right here. Wait, is it like 5 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet?
Why is it an ambulance? He hurt?
I'm not trying to
Is
be
he
over
okay?
You're making it hard.
You're obstructing official business.
How?
Please just go up the street and watch from a safe distance.
Okay, we're gonna watch
This
the
is safe.
No, please. Just
So
up
where is
there.
this safe? This is right up there. Right where? This is safe enough. You're making it unsafe by following me. You're making it unsafe. Look, don't touch me. Why are you trying to touch me?
We're gonna go right here.
Get
We
away
right
from me.
here.
Right, you're
We
making it
right
unsafe.
here. We letting you
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I want to make sure my
I got more than one
Okay,
question.
did I tell you he was okay 6 times?
What'd you say?
He's worried that you're going to do something to him. Try to explain it. He's cuffed in the back of the car. He's safe.
This child.
Why? Okay, you didn't say that. You didn't say. No, you didn't. You walked away. I tried to talk to another officer. You said he couldn't talk to me. And you got me on camera, right? And you got me on camera, right? You're supposed to protect the child, right? All right. Well, look, at this point, I didn't do anything wrong. I'm on public property.
Okay, well you have.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my brother. I just want to watch.
You can't figure out why you're talking and yelling at me.
Why are you
If you
talking
want
to
to
me? That's your problem over there.
Man, you're all right.
bro, alcohol in the system.
Nothing's going to happen. Things get stupid or silly when you're running. You're making it unsafe. You keep getting closer to me. You're getting closer to me. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to get closer. You don't want to talk to me? Exactly.
Okay. All right, guys, let's go.
It gets scary. You make a movement they don't see, something like that. You can't do that right now, man. You're good.
Why are you just coming closer, man? Because you keep walking this way.
I'm walking back to.
You were told to stay in front of the ambulance, weren't you?
All right, I'm not staying nowhere over here. I'm walking this way. I'm walking back towards my car, man. I'm going this way.
All right, stay on the side.
Why you going in my face and shit, doing all that?
Because you were told several times to stay
But I
up there.
can't walk
I just want to
past.
say one thing.
I can't walk past.
If I have to tell you one more time, you're going to be placed under arrest.
For what?
If you come back on the scene one more time, you're
Come
going to be
back on the
placed
scene,
under
I'm allowed
arrest.
to
Keep walking.
I'm not interfering. I'm not interfering.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. How am I interfering?
Keep going.
How am I interfering? You don't have to walk.
Hey, you can close that real fast.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Hey, Brandon. What's up, dude? You remember us, right? Don't even what? Because that was pretty stupid. I ain't doing nothing to you, man. That's why I'm over here. I'm giving you your space.
But you're doing silly because I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my brother. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my brother. And I'm trying to make sure he's okay. I told you he's okay. No, I'm not listening to you. Every time I try to see.
Okay, so you stay
you get my way.
There's no need to use profanity.
Why you still following me, though?
Because we just want
I'm
you to
nowhere
stay
near
safe.
you guys. Why y'all messing with me, man? You all getting on my
Is that fair?
378.
All right. Well, listen, man. My name's Officer Phillips. You already met my partner, Officer Sprag. We're the ones that stopped you. All right. So listen, dude. You made that so much worse for you than it needed to be.
Did you try to move this?
Yeah, I tried to move it. It won't start.
Oh, it's not starting. It's just not even turning on. Okay. Do you guys have like AAA or anything like that?
No, you got AAA?
We can tow it for you, but if you... Oh, your airbags went off?
Is he going to have to pay for this, though?
I mean, yeah, I assume. Our traffic unit will explain this to you when he gets out here. He's on his way out here right now. Hey, do you have...
I got lights on.
No, you're good with that, man.
I'm just going to be completely honest with you, man to man.
I'm not trust y'all, bro.
So be it. It doesn't give you the right to endanger other people's lives. Is that fair? Because that was stupid. I think my partner read you your rights. You understand them, correct? You wish to speak with us at this time?
Do you have...
Hold up, though, because it's in the middle.
Okay, we're gonna have to tow it, okay? All right. I'll let you know once we figure out the tow. I'll let you know where it's going, okay? Where does your mom live at?
My mom lives in Cleveland, bro.
She lives in Cleveland?
Yeah.
Where were you going?
I was dashing, bro.
Oh, you're door dashing? Hey, are you good, man?
I'm
Do you
good.
need
I'm not
EMS
hurt,
or
bro.
anything?
I'm just worried about my mom.
No, it'll be. They already know who hit it, so.
Like, I don't know what to do, bro. Like, I literally just went through the same situation, bro, but somebody hit. Like, I got in an accident.
Close the door here and step out of the way.
You wish to speak? It's a yes or no question. Is it okay if I ask you some questions
Questions about what?
about what happened tonight?
I thought y'all was gonna kill me. I still feel that way.
Okay. Well, you're in handcuffs right now. Nobody's gonna kill you.
You know how many people died in the hands of y'all?
All right. Have a good night.
Following the arrest on November 29, 2025, Brandon was transported to the county jail for booking while his heavily damaged vehicle with its airbags fully deployed was towed from the scene of the crash. His daytime attempt to flee from Officer Sprag turned a routine open container warning into a high-stakes felony pursuit that endangered both the public and responding units. In court, the body camera footage and dash cam recordings provided undeniable evidence of the high-speed chase and Brandon's initial refusal to exit the vehicle. The judge also took into consideration the subsequent interference from his family members, which further complicated law enforcement's ability to secure the scene safely. Ultimately, Brandon was held accountable for his actions, facing formal charges of fleeing and eluding, obstruction, possession of marijuana, and operating a vehicle with an open container of liquor. He was sentenced to a term of supervised probation, heavy financial penalties for towing and court costs, and a mandatory suspension of his driver's license. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.